So on the Hayward heater, you want to make sure that the gas pressure valve is getting to 24 volts. So you want to make sure it's obviously on, okay? And you want to pull out these two electrical wires. So what I did is I took a little nail polish and I put a marking on it, so to make sure when I pull it out, I'm going to put it back in the same way. So if you see the inside of these wires, you see the little circles, and it's straight on top. So this is the way you put it in, with the straight top being on the inside. Okay, so it's good just to mark it so you know you're putting it back in the same way. So the way to pull these out is you want to wiggle these out. Sometimes they get a little stuck, so sometimes it's good to push it in and tighten it and then pull it out and start wiggling. So you're gonna just keep on wiggling them out slowly. They are in there a little tight, but you can see a little bit of movement as you keep doing this. So I like to show you live in my videos so that you can see sometimes things take a little while, especially if you're just a homeowner. You don't do this all the time. Just be careful and slowly, and you could do this without damaging anything. So you see how it's slowly trying to pull out? Okay, it's almost out. Okay, so you see on that one, the straight line will be inwards when you put it in. So when you put it back in, it should go like this, the wires. So the round part is facing outwards on each side, and the straight parts are together on the inside. So that's how you make sure when you put this back in, it fits correctly. Okay. Next, we want to make sure that this gas valve is getting 24 volts to it. So what we're going to use is a multimeter. So we're going to take this and put it on voltage. And we're just going to put it inside the wires. Okay, so we put it on volts. Okay, and now we're gonna turn on the heater, and we're gonna see if we're reading any voltage. So let's give this a try. I've never done this before, so you're doing this live with me. Put the filter pump on. My filter pump going on. There it goes. See, we are really live. It wasn't even working. And now we're going to turn the heater on. And by the way, I have a IF failure code. That's why I'm trying to troubleshoot it. Let's turn the heater on, and let's see what types of readings we're going to get. So you see what attached there. Heater's on. volts again. I'm dropping back. So that's 3 times, and then we're gonna get an IF failure code, because they still haven't figured out yet what my IF ignition failure is. I'm just doing some troubleshooting, but I wanted to show you how you would check to make sure that the valve is getting the proper 24 volts. So this 24 volts confirms that the transformer is sending the proper voltage to the gas valve so that the gas valve can open. But you can see there's an IF failure. Okay, so I hope you like this video and hope this helps somebody. Like and subscribe.